Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Coughing up bright red blood, especially in large amounts or with chest pain, dizziness, or trouble breathing, is a medical emergency. These symptoms could signal serious issues like lung infections, blood clots, or cancer. Seek immediate medical help to get the right diagnosis and treatment.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.